With greetings from Tele-Optic Services to all users. This video recording introduces SkyRadar, a cross-platform grayscale radar and astrograph analysis application designed for mobile and desktop systems, including iOS, Android, macOS, and Windows. SkyRadar differs from traditional RGB-based tools by using a grayscale-first luminance model. This approach enables stable, physically consistent interpretation of both meteorological radar images and astronomical observations, even under varying lighting, color, or atmospheric conditions. The app performs pixel-level scientific analysis, including grayscale conversion, beam correction, optical depth estimation, reflectivity normalization, and morphology detection. These tools allow SkyRadar to analyze satellite-based radar scans, cloud structures, cyclone systems, atmospheric attenuation, and astrographic features such as surface brightness, emission tendencies, and structural morphology. SkyRadar delivers real-time, field-ready analysis, whether used with satellite imagery, weather radar frames, or telescope-captured grayscale images. SkyRadar is built for satellite radar meteorology, cloud density and structure diagnostics, cyclone morphology interpretation, radar attenuation modeling, astrograph emission and structural analysis. All operations use BT 709 luminance, with beam correction for scientific accuracy. The following are the main instructions for the general controls buttons. 1. Instruction article and video button opens the official SkyRadar documentation and video tutorials in your device's browser. 2. Load image button imports satellite, radar, or astrograph images from your device. All images are automatically converted to BT 709 grayscale luminance for analysis. 3. Reset button clears the processed image and returns to the original frame. Resets all maps, transformations, and parameters recommended before switching to a different dataset or analysis domain. Here's the button-by-button guide for radar meteorology section to optimize for atmospheric studies, storm analysis, and weather diagnostics. 4. Cloud density. Analyze cloud optical thickness and precipitation potential. Display parameters for cyclone morphology class, optical depth, Greek letter tau, transmission percent, cloud thickness, km, liquid water content, GM3, and rain probability, percent. Interpretation highlights: high Greek letter tau thick cloud mass, low transmission dense storm, and high LWC strong precipitation zones. Best for evaluating storm intensity. 5. Cyclone class. Assess structural patterns in cyclone formations. Display parameters for convective index, stratiform index, thin layer index, cyclone morphology type interpretation, high convective tall turbulent storm towers, high stratiform wide layered rain systems, thin layer upper level cloud sheets. Bright zones mark active regions, dark zones mark calm eye regions. 6. Radar attenuation. Model radar beam extinction through clouds or precipitation. Display parameters for extinction mag, optical depth, Greek letter tau, estimated thickness, km, distance proxy, km. Interpretation: high extinction significant atmospheric absorption, high Greek letter tau dense precipitation or cloud mass. Best for radar signal reliability analysis. 7. Radar analysis provides radar-derived indices, reflectivity, percent, attenuation, percent, turbulence index, precipitation level, stratiform convective thin layer classification. Best for quick operational meteorology. Here's the button-by-button guide for radar astrography section to extends grayscale radar principles into celestial structural analysis. 8. Surface brightness. Analyses brightness energy distribution. 9. Optical depth. Shows transmission percent, optical depth, Greek letter tau, and equivalent thickness. 10. Temperature. Estimates effective brightness derived temperature, K, and photon flux, percent. 11. Emission ratio. Compares red-blue channel tendencies and spectral emission dominance. 12. Morphology. Detects texture-based turbulence or smoothness across the image. 13. Cell signal. Region of interest based component analysis showing nebula signal, OII presence, stellar temperature groups, galaxy core arms halo. Useful for mixed astrophysical regions. 14. Image correct. Applies brightness beam correction by repeatedly tapping or clicking the image correct button for vignetting, radar beam falloff, and peripheral attenuation. Recommended as a first step before analysis. 15. Exit application. iOS/macOS. No manual exit required. For Android Windows. Dedicated exit button available. Recommended workflow. 1. Load image. 2. Apply image correct. Optional but recommended. 3. Choose radar or astro section. 4. Perform detailed analysis. 5. Use radar analysis or cell signal for summaries. And finally 6. Reset before loading new data. SkyRadar provides a unified, grayscale-driven framework for analyzing meteorological radar data and astronomical images with scientific precision. From cloud density and cyclone structure to brightness profiles and galaxy morphology, SkyRadar enables real-time, reproducible interpretation across both atmospheric and celestial domains.